Hi, it's Lynette here, so thank you for joining me. So you might have seen from the title of this that this is a different brand that I'm bringing to you. So it's Tropic, or I think it's Tropic Skincare. It's a brand I have tried before, and it was through a friend at work became an ambassador for the brand, which means that she would have pamper parties, she'd do it online, she'd make brochures available. There was quite a few different ways that you could actually sell this. But I think she had to undergo training. It wasn't just here's the products, on you go and sell them. So she did have to undergo training on the products and what to recommend and for different skincare. So the pamper party that I went along to, all the products were set up and she recommended that here's a face mask, if this is your concern, this would work. And we did get to kind of touch everything and try everything. So the kind of in-person pamper party is great for that. However, I went to one maybe about 3 years ago, maybe more, but because of the pandemic, you just you can order things online. You could probably do it via the ambassador, as an online kind of experience. Get everybody in the room on Zoom or something like that. So this brochure tells you a little bit about it. So it really does seem to be a brand with a conscience. So they're certified cruelty free. They have freshly made natural beauty products receiving more than 8,000 5-star reviews and 250 awards. They're certified carbon neutral with all carbon emissions double offset, which I think is amazing. So it says, our infinite purpose is to help create a healthier, greener and more empowered world. So the CEO and the founder is this lovely lady called Susie. If you recognise her, it will be from, if you're in the UK, The Apprentice. So here she is with Lord Alan Sugar. So he went into the partnership 50-50. And yeah, I mean, you can read a bit more about where she got the inspiration from and the purpose, but it really is a brand that does seem to be conscious about the environment. And this kind of leaflet that I've got here tells you a lot about it. So you can have a pamper party. I went to one a few years ago before the pandemic and it was great. So your ambassador will come along from the brand. In this case, it was a girl from work. Well, she'd left work, but she kept in touch. We got together for a pamper party, and the hostess will the usual thing. I always think my mum did them back in the day, and I really loved them. She'd be the hostess, and people would come along and buy things, and she'd get a percentage of the commission, and she'd catch up with friends. They'd have a drink, they'd have food, and then they'd do it at somebody else's house, and it might be a different thing and a different theme. But this is what it reminds me of. So you just get together. So it says you can have the VIP experience. Okay, so what does it say here? If you like to receive some of your Tropic favourites for free and enjoy product recommendations tailored to your skin type while catching up with friends, why not try hosting a pamper experience? So the ambassadors who come along are all trained in, obviously, to be able to make recommendations to you as well. They don't hold any stock. I think I read that in here. So everything you're getting comes fresh from where it's made. So apparently the ambassador can help give you advice, talk about green beauty, application tips, and you get 15% as a hostess of pamper sales. I think that's fantastic. You can also do it online. So it says go virtual, and you can do some makeup looks as well. So everything's vegan and cruelty free, which I just think is absolutely amazing. And this is the kind of thing, these are the type of evenings or afternoons, which is our case. Get together, look at the products, try the products. So I just find it really, really fascinating. So Kay had been in touch with me, and she had said, oh, we've got this offer on, and I've ordered stuff before and I really liked it. I went on to the Think Dirty, is that right? There's an app that tells you what product has things in it. So for me, I was finding everything was making my head scratch, and I thought, oh, I've cut out this, I've cut out that, I've cut out the next. And then I was on a website and somebody said, yeah, but these things can also make your head scratch. So I went onto the Think Dirty app and I was looking for various different brands, and Tropic comes up, well, every time I checked, Tropic comes up completely green. no amber, no red, which means everything's kind of natural and there's no nasties in it at all, which, you know, I think is absolutely fantastic. So they do ranges from skincare, which is amazing. Yeah, face masks. Their face masks are fantastic. Loads of different stuff. So yeah, skincare. They do hair products. They do makeup. And loads of different fragrances. Their lip fudge. I remember at the party that this was a great seller. And the thing that I really enjoyed was the whipped body butter. That was really nice. But there's loads of different kind of SPF as well. So I had said to Kay that I was going to actually, the sun drops, I've got a friend who uses these and she swears by them. They're absolutely amazing. Okay, so what am I showing you today and why am I showing you it? So I wanted to show you the products that I had, and I got in touch with Kay and I said, oh, I'm just going to do a little video. Can people get in touch with you? And she went, of course. She says, but what I'll do is, if anybody wants to purchase it, I'll give you a link. It's only open for 7 days from today and they can go in. So if anybody buys anything, I get 15% of that. But what I thought is that whatever, if there's anything, if anybody orders something, then I'll purchase something and I'll do a giveaway. And, you know, if nobody purchases it, then we won't do a giveaway. But, you know, so I'm not making anything out of this. So whatever, if you decide to go on, check the link, order it, I won't make anything from this because I'll pop it in the giveaway. Right, so I'm going to show you what I've got. So it comes packaged like this and everything, it tells you the little leaflet that you get, that you do get a little leaflet that thanks you and says everything is recyclable. So the cardboard box and the inner paper, there wasn't any ear pockets or but they're made from potato and corn starch. They use gum paper tape with vegetable glue. So it's all recyclable. It's carbon neutral, cruelty free and vegan, cruelty free, United World School. So it's got all the, you know, it's got all the things that I think you guys would be looking for. Tells you a little bit about staying in touch. So I thought that was a nice feature. And it just tells you a little bit about the things that you've ordered, which is fab. And it gets sent directly, so it doesn't go, there's no stockpiling sitting in somebody's house. They're not going to try and sell you what they're trying to offload. It comes direct, which I think is fantastic. So look at the packaging on this. If you were given this as a gift, which initially I thought I might do, but I thought I'm just going to keep it. Then, you know, it's already packaged really nice. I like that. So it says on the back, to create a healthier, greener, more empowered world. So you just take it apart and inside there's a little message about the product that says, you simply can't go wrong with this deliciously buttered body cream. It has all the hydration and nourishment your skin needs, but with a few nature-inspired tricks up its sleeve that transforms it into the ultimate skin firming treat. Go on, spoil yourself. So you apply this daily after showering or bathing, massaging in upward circular motions for smoother, firmer skin. And the top ingredient here is organic aloe vera juice. I mean, it's got some amazing list of ingredients here. Shea butter, macadamia oil, coconut, cassava, vitamin E, castor oil, pink peppercorn extract, sea kelp extract, essential oils of lemon, lime, bergamot and lemon myrtle, gentle preservatives from star anise and basil, coconut-derived emollient, plant-derived gelatin agent, corn sugar gum. That's right at the end. 100% naturally derived, freshly made in Britain. So 250 grams. So here it is here. It looks like this. So on the back it tells you it's a rich velvety buttercream that helps tone skin and cocoon your body in softness. It also has the vegan logo and the cruelty free logo. There we go. So you know you're getting something if you're somebody that's not sure about skincare. And quite often our favourite brands, we then discover, you know, that they're now selling in China. So it takes them, you know, by virtue of that, it means they usually test in China unless they can get agreement, which I think some companies have, is that if they sell in China, they won't have to test. But it's good to know that it's definitely vegan, it's definitely cruelty free. And on the top here it tells you best before August 23. So that's another thing about their products. They are fresh, but that's a good kind of shelf life on this one. So what does it smell like? Shea butter, pink peppercorn and vitamin E firming buttercream. So I'm looking forward to trying some of this. It's got the... I've got to use this now. I have to use it, I've opened it. Yeah. I'll definitely use it. Since I started using body creams and body butters, I've got into the habit of it. So I've put a little bit here. Oh, it smells amazing. I think I can smell the lemon myrtle actually. Oh, it smells so good. They're, this is lovely. Their velvety whipped butters as well are gorgeous. I tried a trio that they were selling, absolutely gorgeous. So, as I say, I did get these two as a package together. So, if you are interested in keeping in touch, then let me know and I can pass your details on so that you can get notifications if there's any offers. So this next one is Tropic Sweet Bellini Cleansing Body Pebble, 130 grams. Look at that. I love the fact it's not in cardboard, it's not in kind of plastic, it's just, you know, and I'm sure the sticker will be recyclable too. So this is, so it says how to enjoy lather with water to cleanse and condition your hands and body. So as I say, I'm trying to get into the habit of using less kind of, oh I think, do I have 30 bottles of, oh wow, I had about 30 bottles of shower gel, but I am trying to switch to bars, and this one is, I think it was £8, but look at the size of it. It is absolutely massive. It smells lovely. What is this? Peach Bellini? Sweet Bellini. Cleansing Body Pebbles. I'm going to see if I can find it in the book. Cleansing Body Pebble, yeah. £8. You can actually buy a pebble pouch for £3.50, which is quite a good idea actually. So yeah, there's original, there's sweet Bellini, there's creamy colada, zesty mojito, coconut and citrus. So yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Smell is amazing. So yeah, the back pages, it kind of gives you a quick, it gives you the product numbers and the price. The back page. Look at this. Ocean Dive Smoothie. Does that not look amazing? I really like that. So yeah, I'm definitely going to try the shampoo and conditioner. Have a wee look. Because it's all kind of good ingredients as well. I'm imagining there's nothing in it that'll make my head itch. So the body smooth refreshing polish is £24, but that's for 200 mils, and it comes in a cute, comes in a glass jar, and you get the little wooden spoon, so you're not having to dip your hands in it all the time. The whipped velvet body butter. So this was £20, but there was an offer, so I got the pebble thrown in as well. The body wash is £10. Frangipani Star Anise, Jasmine Neroli and Vetiver. Their deodorant is, it's an antiperspirant cream, it was £10. Their bath foams, they've just got everything. Hand balms, foot remedies, keep it clean. Oh, their foot pebble, polish and foot pebble. Yeah, they've got baby products as well, which is so cute. So yeah, I will probably be spending a wee bit of time tonight having a look through this, because Mother's Day is coming up. Yes, probably will have to break my no buy. So anyway, if you're interested, I'm not trying to sell this to you because that's not what I'm here for. But if you are interested, there is a link, and as I say, she really kindly set that up for me because I said I was going to do a video. So there is a link. If you're interested, go and have a wee look at the brochure. There's a form to fill in. It's only open for 7 days, and anything that if anybody buys anything, whatever commission's there, I will use it to buy something and kind of do a giveaway. So let me know what you think. Have you tried this? I've got friends who swear by this, and it's not, you know, I know you can't get it in the high street, but they absolutely swear by it. So do be prepared to enjoy the products that you get. I've not had a bad one yet, to be honest with you. So yeah, I might just kind of tick the ones that I want and pick up something kind of bit by bit, to be honest with you. But yeah, their makeup's all good quality as well. So anyway, I'm going to go, but this leaflet, this brochure will be online, so you can go and read a little bit more about the company. There'll be a link if you're interested in purchasing anything. 15% commission if you're interested in holding your own pamper party. You can also let me know, and I'll ask Kay to get in touch with you to set that up. Remember, you get 15% of commission. So if you've got any friends that like this brand already, yeah, let them know. So I'll speak to you soon, guys. Take care. Bye bye.